Hello everyone, welcome to today's HMS Core time. I will be introducing the network capabilities of HMS Core and the scenarios that came in handy. We are still seeing issues like network freezing, latency, and slow download speeds, which affect the user experience on apps. Users might stop using or even uninstall the apps if they came across these problems. To help you optimize network performance, HMS Core provides hQUIC Kit, Wireless Kit, and Network Kit. Let's take a closer look at each one of them. hQUIC Kit optimizes and enhances the entire network at the protocol level. Let's first look at the TCP and UDP protocols. TCP is stable and makes sure that receiver gets each packet before the sender sends any more. Even though it's stable, transmission efficiency will drop during poor network conditions. Then you have UDP, which is fast, and the sender continues to send packets, regardless of whether the receiver has got a packet or not. Transmission in this case is highly efficient, but there may be some packet loss. So, instead, apps can use the hQUIC protocol with hQUIC Kit. It ensures stable transmission, quickly establishes network connections, switches networks without re-establishing connections, and has better congestion management algorithms. On the left, you can see the result of using the hQUIC protocol. The network is more than 20% faster while loading pages and downloading content. Next, let me introduce Wireless Kit. This kit enhances the network hardware capabilities. First, it improves app experience by sending two-way quality feedback. Basically, the app sends the latest network status to the mobile phone, which uses information to decide if it should switch network for the app or not. In the other direction, the mobile phone can send dynamic data on latency, bandwidth, and packet loss rate to the app. The app then uses its data to adjust related policies. For example, it can adjust video resolution so users can enjoy a better video watching experience. Secondly, Wireless Kit can also create Wi-Fi slices. It makes sure that the key apps have a higher network priority and better quality of service, which are important to improve user experience. Finally, we have got Network Kit. This one customizes the network experience. You can focus on implementing the app requirements, while Network Kit takes care of the network. It coordinates various capabilities to optimize network performance and satisfy app requirements in the term of downloading content, loading pages, streaming live video, and more. Instead of worrying about the details of optimizing network, you can just call the handy APIs of Network Kit to do that for you. In complex network environments, Network Kit can optimize network parameters, such as dynamic routing, dynamic slicing, keep alive time, and retry times for different users through AI technologies. All this improves network transmission efficiency and reduces latency. Currently, both Huawei Video and Huawei Member Center are using Network Kit, which helps them to reduce latency by more than 30%. So, there you have it. These are the three kits. Now, let me talk a little more about how they have been used so far. One example is the Dolo Continent, a game by Senchi Interactive Entertainment. It initially faced some issues. The game download logic was complex. It took a long time to download resource packages, and the download success rate was quite low. With Network Kit, users can download resource packages 40% faster, and there's been a considerable increase in the download success rate. This is largely thanks to NetworkKit's features, such as multi-thread download, transparent compressed transmission, and AI slicing. This reduces the development and maintenance workload and improves user experience at the same time. This about sums up our quick introduction to the network capabilities of HMS Core and when they came in handy. It provides hQUIC kit, wireless kit, and network kit to optimize network performance. Of course, that's just one brief introduction. If you'd like to know more about how to apply our kits for network optimization, we invite you to visit the Huawei developers website. Thank you.